Gusto ko lang ibahagi ang pinakamalaking sikreto ko noon, nung 13 anyos pa lang ako. Nag-sex kami ni kuya. Alam kong mali. Sobrang mali. Pero na-enjoy ko. Parang may init na hindi ko maipaliwanag. Naulit ng naulit. Gabi-gabi, pumapasok siya sa kwarto ko. Gigising na lang ako, nasa ibabaw ko na siya. Hanggang isang araw, nalaman ko na buntis ako. Hello and welcome sa panibagong episode ng Katarantaduhan Podcast. This is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Pat.
Hi, I'm Vanessa.
Wow! May bago tayong guest.
Bebe mo dun, be.
Anong nagdala sa'yo dito, Miss Vanessa?
Uber.
Actually,
Naghahanap ka po siya naghahanap ka ba ng pag-ibig? Kasi malamig na naman.
sabihin mo na, chance mo na to.
Oo.
Maraming subscribers dito.
Anong hanap ni Vanessa sa lalaki?
Hindi ko nga din. But, I don't know.
Oo.
I don't know talaga.
Spit or swallow? Joke
Lights on
lang.
or lights off?
Oo nga. Eggs or chocolates?
Siyempre.
Eggs or chocolates. Okay. Ready na ba kayo? Anong hula niyo sa confession natin? Mahalay?
Mahalay, for sure.
Rom-com?
Yes. Gusto ko mahalay.
Si Bella, ano?
Gusto ko rom-com.
Rom-com, okay. Confession. Tuwalya. Hi, ako si Z. 18 na ngayon. Gusto ko lang ibahagi ang pinakamalaking sikreto ko noon, nung 13 anyos pa lang ako. Parang kahapon lang, pero hanggang ngayon, may hapdi pa rin sa dibdib ko tuwing naaalala ko. Nagsimula ito nang maging sobrang lapit ko sa kuya ko. Wala kasi kaming ama, kaya siya ang naging tatay ko. Alaga, disiplina, katatawanan, lahat. Kaya siguro, ganun na lang ako sa kanya, kalambing. Tipikal na bunsong kapatid ako. Yakap kapag natatakot, halik sa pisngi kapag masaya. Pero isang gabi, nagbago ang lahat. Nag-sex kami ni kuya. Alam kong mali. Sobrang mali. Pero na-enjoy ko. Parang may init na hindi ko maipaliwanag. Naulit ng naulit. Gabi-gabi, pumapasok siya sa kwarto ko. Gigising na lang ako, nasa ibabaw ko na siya. Hanggang isang araw, nalaman ko na buntis ako. Parang bumagsak ang mundo ko. Galit ako sa kanya. Sobrang galit. Bakit hindi ka nag-ingat? Sigaw ko sa isip ko. Pero wala na akong magawa. Ang mas masakit, may girlfriend siya. Parang sinaksak ako sa likod. Humingi ako ng tulong. Kuya, tulungan mo ako. Nag-aaral pa ako. Hindi ko kaya to mag-isa. Sabi niya, siya na ang bahala. Isang araw, dumating siya na may daladalang gamot pampalaglag. Nanginginig ang kamay ko habang binabasa yung label ng gamot. Natakot ako. Sobrang takot. Pero mas takot ako na malaman ni nanay. Kaya ininom ko. Laging wala si kuya kapag umiinom ako. Isang araw, tumalab na. Ako at si nanay lang ang nasa bahay. Wala siyang kaalam-alam na ang bunsong anak niya ay nasa banyo nanganganak ng patay na sanggol. Sobrang sakit, parang pinipiga ang katawan ko. Umiiyak ako ng tahimik. Kagat ang labi para walang ingay. Tiniis ko lahat. Nang mailabas ko na, tinignan ko siya. Maliit, walang buhay. May luha sa mata ko habang binabalot ko siya sa tuwalya. Pasensya ka na, bulong ko. Pasensya na, anak ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ilalabas. Nasa labas lang ng banyo si nanay, nagluluto ng almusal. Amoy pandesal at itlog. Normal na umaga. Pero ako, nasa impyerno. Nakita ko ang malit na upuan na ginagamit ni nanay sa paglalaba. Doon ko siya inilagay. Tinakpan ko ng isa pang tuwalya. Tinawagan ko si kuya. Kuya, tulong. Umiiyak ako sa telepono. Dumating siya agad, kinuha ang upuan at umalis. Yon ang confession.
Wait, akala ko kanina sabi mo, hindi na mga ganun yung level ng confession niya. Bakit ganun pa rin?
Wait, akala ko, sabihin mo kasi nung una, akala ko lalaki siya.
Akala ko
Tapos
din.
biglang buntis.
No female
Akala
siya.
ko lalaki.
Yung
listening.
Pero gusto ko yung reaction niya na, mati ka nag-ingat. Ano? Mati ka nag-sex?
Like, actually, pag-usapan natin si Sender, no? 13 anyos. 13.
Oh, 13? Bakit naisip ko 18?
No,
No, she was 18.
Oh, okay.
Tapos, 13 anyos siya nung nangyari yun.
Oh my God.
I'm actually wondering, do you think na manipulate si Sender in this case?
Yeah, bata siya eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like, ang isa pang bagay dito is, di ba wala silang dad? So is it like, a dad issue thing.
Yeah.
Could be.
Yeah.
Daddy issues.
Yeah.
Pero di ba rape yan?
It could be.
It is.
It could
Statutory
be.
rape.
Kasi parang feeling ko ang nangyari is, di ba, like yung lagi natin pinag-uusapan na kapag yung walang father figure,
Yeah.
yung tendencies na maghanap ka ng the wrong love from the wrong places.
Yeah.
And given na 13 lang siya, so,
Or kung sino man lang yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng
yeah.
affection. Or
Kasi parang, kaya ko sinabing na manipulate si sender kasi nandun yung kuya niya na parang siya yung nag-aalaga, siya yung tumata
Yeah.
yung ano. Pero anong reaction niyo dun? Kasi parang,
Pero grabe naman yung kuya. Ba't naman ganun?
I know. May
Yun nga eh,
nanay sila, di ba?
yun nga,
May
parang
nanay sila.
sobrang absent nga sa picture nung nanay.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi niya alam na may
Yeah.
nangyayaring ganun. Pero kasi parang ang nangyari nga is, parang, alam mo yung tinake advantage nung kuya,
Yeah.
yung sitwasyon.
Yeah.
Like, anong reaction niyo dun sa relasyon nila bilang magkapatid na paano umabot dun yung, like, let's just say, ano muna yung reaction niyo pala overall sa buong confession, like, from all together.
Honestly, right now, sa lahat ng confessions ng Demon, I'm not even surprised anymore.
Like, wala na sa'yo.
Wala na siyang reaction.
Normal na to. Parang naging na siyang normal sa atin. Pero,
So, effed up na tayo.
wala.
So, parang wala na ako nakukuhang confession, ay, wala nang nakukuhang ano kay
Parang
Bella
wala
eh.
nang bago. Wala bang guys bago? Wala bang medyo mabait tayo? Medyo mabait tayo?
Kasi parang grabe naman to. Like incest and rape at the
Yeah.
same time.
I
And
know. And
abortion.
yeah, he got her
Like,
pregnant.
all in one.
First ko pa to ah.
Welcome!
Kasi nga, gusto ko makita yung ano yung reaction mo eh. Para malaman na. Like parang kasi, like parang ano, di ba? Parang alam yung sanay na kami nila Bella eh, sa, may incest part. Pero yung nabuntis mo yung kapatid mo and nagkaroon ng, like parang nagbunga and kinailangan mawala. Like parang yun yung roller coaster na hindi ko medyo alam mo yun, yung hindi ko I'm like, what the fuck? Kasi yung parang incest part, fuck, there's a lot of confessions na ganun. Pero yung incest part, parang, ano eh, ang naano ko,
Tsaka
sobrang,
hindi lang one time nila ginawa.
Ginagabi-gabi nga daw siya eh.
All the time.
Nagigising siya, nakapatong na. Ano yun?
Actually, exactly. Like, the
Aswang
fact na
yarn?
pupunta siya at night and ginagawa niya yun sa...
Yeah.
kapatid niya.
Kapatid
It's
niya.
statutory rape.
Yeah. Well, just the fact na hindi siya 18.
Yeah.
Or 15. I'm not
I
sure.
wonder ng taon yung kuya.
Oo nga. Sinabi ba?
Oh, yeah.
Actually, hindi ata sinabi.
Yeah.
And masakit dun, may jowa. Kasi parang, gusto ko rin itanong, kasi parang at 13, parang na-inlove siya dun sa kuya niya eh. Kasi parang sinabi niya dito nung, di ba, nalaman niyang nabuntis siya. Tapos, nung sinabi niya na may girlfriend siya, tapos sinabi niya para akong sinaksak sa likod. Like, parang nag-develop siya ng feelings. Do you think? Like, is it quite possible?
Pwede.
Diba?
That's
Yeah.
sick.
Parang ganun eh.
Mas dun ka pa nasaktan kesa yung sa
Yeah.
ginawa sa'yo ng kuya mo.
Well, kasi parang hindi sa, kasi parang na-romanticize yung
Yeah.
okay lang sa kanila yung nangyayari. Kasi nga bata siya, so wala pa siya dun sa maturity na, tangina, hindi ko dapat ginagawa to. But at 13,
If you think about it, at 13,
May alam ka
wouldn't
na
you know?
nun. May alam ka na nun.
Pero I think nag-groom siya. Like,
Yun, exactly the word,
Like,
yeah.
like thinking na, oh, I'm your protector and
Yeah.
everything. Oh, I love you.
kasi hindi ko
And,
alam kung napanood niyo sa Netflix before yung Abducted in Plain Sight. Yung parang yung kapitbahay nila, parang kinidnap niya. Tapos parang around the same age ata yung babae, parang nasa 7 or 8. Or even like in the early teens. Tapos parang na-Stockholm syndrome siya.
oh.
Tapos parang alam niyang nire-rape siya pero na-inlove na siya hanggang tumanda siya. Like lumaki na siya dun sa kidnapper
Oh, yeah,
niya.
I've heard that.
So parang ganun yung nangyari kay Sender dito. Pero nakakaawa kasi alam mo yung sinabi niya dun sa anak niya nung nilabas niya, pasensya ka na. Pasensya ka na, anak ko.
Yeah.
Like, you know how painful that is?
Yeah. Well, hindi ko pa na-try. Well, kasi the way he said it, you know how painful that is. And then sabi ko, yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi naman sa na-try ko, pero I would think yung guilt.
Mm.
Yung guilt niya, na dapat naman hindi naman niya talaga dala yung guilt na yun. Pero I think kasi nandun na yun eh.
Well, can you imagine that too? Like, the fact na naka-feel siya ng guilt about that. And alam niya eh. Alam niya na,
Right
alam
and
niya
wrong.
yung
Yeah.
nangyayari eh.
Yeah.
So, I feel like, gets ko naman yung sinaya mo na dapat, nag-groom talaga siya. It's
Yeah.
not really
Yeah.
her fault. Hindi pa siya fault.
And imagine like, 13, you're just what? Grade 7?
Exactly. What's that
Yeah.
actually? Pag 13.
First year high school.
First year high
Yeah,
school.
yeah,
Yeah.
grade 7.
So grade 7, di ba?
Yeah.
This is kind of wild kasi parang imaginein mo at 13.
You're confused at 13.
Yeah.
I
and
would know
yung
that.
hormones mo din. Bakit?
Hindi
Ano ba?
ba
Ano
ano
ginagawa?
ng period ng 13?
Gago hindi!
Yung iba nga 11 eh.
9.
Yeah. No, some people. Yeah.
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 So at 9, you can already
I mean-
bear a
I
child?
mean-
kapag nagka-period ka, di
Yeah.
ba?
Yeah.
That's
Like
crazy.
some people are like even get pregnant at that age, yung mga nare-rape.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I read.
Like, can their
something
body
like
actually handle like giving birth at
that. No,
that age?
usually
Probably
they,
not.
they die.
Because
Like
they're
yung-
not developed
They die
yet.
like yung bata na manganganak.
Maybe
Yeah.
even yung...
Baby.
Yeah. Like, pareho.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that's crazy actually. So
Yeah.
that's effed up, no? That's crazy. Pag-usapan natin yung kuya. Putang ina, naano ko dito sa confession. Parang the whole picture, parang siya yung nandun lang siya paggabi. Pero nung nabuntis, parang wala siya
So
eh.
I'm out.
Like, you know what I mean? Like, parang,
Yeah.
kuya, kailangan mo tulungan dito. Tapos bumalik ka sa picture. May dala lang na gamot.
Yeah.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Parang, nagkasalanan niya yun lahat. Tapos, ang ginagawa niya lang is, oh, ito, inumin mo to. That's it.
Fucked up in the head din yung lalaki.
That's true.
And
How old
Night,
ka
you
yan?
can do that.
Like, I hear you guys, but... Kayo, sige. Ito na lang hindi ko in-excuse. What would you do kung ikaw yung kuya? Do you have any other choice?
Actually, that's a good
No.
question.
Yeah,
I never
mean,
thought about that.
Like, would you support? Would you actually... pananagutan mo ba?
Paano nyo masasabi sa magulang?
Yun na nga,
yun?
exactly.
Yeah,
so,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
Diba?
and yun nga, kaya ako curious kung ilang taon na yung kuya niya. Kasi what if
Exactly.
he's like 16?
Diba? Kasi that's a kuya.
Yeah.
To
Yeah.
a 13-year-old.
Yeah.
Actually, that's a good question.
Even 14 is a kuya.
Hindi kasi parang let's just say, kung halimbawa yung kuya niya, let's say 16, I feel like matatakot din yun eh.
Yeah.
And yet, pero I don't know kung 16 na, kasi how would he know saan kukuha ng pampalaglag?
Yun nga.
Eh,
Like parang he has this, parang yung ano lang parang, ang iniisip ko talaga, kasi hindi naman sinabi kung ilan taon yung kuya, parang ang nasa isip ko nung binabasa ko siya is like maybe around 20s, 18 and above.
yeah,
Kasi,
could be.
alam mo na kung sa kukuha ng pampalaglag and I mean like at 16.
Alam niya kung saan kukuha ng
Like-
pampalaglag pero hindi niya alam kung saan kukuha ng condom.
I know, right? Actually, good point. Hindi naman uso sa Pinas yun eh. Like sa atin, like yung, kasi hindi naman masyadong, like, to touch base.
Contraceptives.
Yeah, like sa Pinas masyadong, parang alam mo yung sobrang tabu ng usapang sex
Yeah.
na
Yeah.
hindi tuloy nagiging mature yung mga Pilipino sa tamang ways na let's say,
Yeah.
kasi yung bagay na yun, hindi mo naman talaga mapipigilan kasi ang mga kabataan yung laging in-hit eh.
Yeah.
Ay,
Putang ina. Pero hindi nila naiisip yung contraceptive part na parang gusto mo maging in-hit pero you're not protecting yourself tas ang taas din ng HIV.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Kaya sa mga kabataan dyan, meron pong libre sa center. Sa
Yes.
mga health center.
Lagi ka ba nasa health center? Lagi nasa health center?
Magtanong lang
Kapitana.
po kayo. Magtanong lang po kayo meron dyan.
Lagi ka nagpupuntang health center?
Hindi. Alam ko lang. Kasi,
siya
no,
nangingi
when
doon.
I was in college, meron talagang mga forum and everything and they give out free
Oo.
contraceptives.
Kasi alam mo sa Pilipinas, feeling ko nature to or culture ng mga Pinoy, kapag ka yung, kasi sa mga puti dito, it's like nobody cares. Like sa school, di ba, kumuha ka doon, kahit kumuha ka ng 5, wala silang sasabi pag Pinoy, uy, baba na dyan mamaya.
I know.
Alam mo yung mga ganun, yung kino-call out.
Yeah, alam mo yung sa grocery, yung sa gilid. Di ba yung mga binibenta doon yung mga trust, tas may mga flavors.
Oo.
Nagpabili ako ng dati. Akala ko kasi candy.
Akala mo
Wala,
gum?
may picture yung chocolate,
tas
strawberry. Oh, sige,
Yeah.
pareho pa tayo
Para saan
nagkata.
ba yun? Para sa pa yung flavor?
Hindi ko alam.
Kasi actually, ito pa yung nakakatawa kasi kaya ako nabanggit yan sa culture na sa Pinas na parang ginajudge ka pag let's say, bibili ka na nga ng condom, di ba? May isang tropa ako, like, di ko na babanggitin kung sino. Bumili siya ng condom, right? Tapos, mag-asawa na sila ng wife niya. Bumili siya, nasa Pinas sila. Tapos, tinititigan daw siya ni kuya na parang, tangina, baba na ito mamaya. Parang alam mo, like alam mo yan, yung parang may judgmental. Like, parang gusto niya sabihin, tangina, ba't mo tinititigan? Asawa ko na yun. Parang yun yung nasa isip niya. Yung, alam mo yung mga Pinoy, parang medyo
Instead na isipin na, they're being,
safe. Di
Yeah,
ba?
I'm never
know.
gonna think that though. Like at least right now sa Philippines, we're too behind on things like that. And
Yeah.
you know what? Ang big component din yan is the religion aspect.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
that's true.
Yeah.
Such a Catholic country and sobrang tabu talaga ng ganyang usapan. And even contraception, that's also
Like a no-no sa
Yeah.
sa church. Yeah.
Is it? Sorry ha.
Yeah, it's actually parang kasalanan nga, di ba? Kasi pag sa church, parang pag ginawa niyo yung deed, it's a procreation thing.
Okay.
So, you're not supposed to hinder from procreating. So, pag nilagyan mo ng contraceptive, then,
You're hindering
Yeah.
it, yeah.
so,
got
kaya ganun. So, parang kailangan mo daw, para hindi kayo magka-baby, alam mo yung ibabase mo sa schedule. Scheduling
Oh, yeah.
thing. Like, di ba kasi, di ba, yung ano ng babae,
Calendar,
yung calendar ng babae
Yeah.
or whatever.
Yeah.
Kaya ganun. Kaya nasabi ko ding medyo matanda yung guy or yung kuya. Kasi parang ang bilis niyang na-source ng pampalaglag eh.
Pero kasi, alam mo, madali na lang mag-source ngayon.
Saan ba nakakabili nun?
Exactly,
Sa,
I was
Hindi ko
gonna
actually
ask.
alam.
Meron ba nun sa Mercury?
I don't think
I don't
they
think-
sell
I
that.
wouldn't-
think-
I don't think
you would
that's a
be
thing.
able to sell
It's not
that.
allowed. I don't think it's allowed in the Philippines.
Yeah, I don't think
Yeah.
it's a thing.
Yeah, pero if you know about things, like sa Quiapo, madami. And may mga tree, meron kaming tree inaral dati, and they said, pag kinain mo yung bark,
Nung 3.
it's like an abortion pill or something. It's not a pill, it's a tree bark. I forgot ko anong tree. Pero ganun.
Or
Mahogany?
baka nung pagkasabi nung
Char, hindi.
babae dun sa kuya na buntis siya, baka kinaba na yung kuya, kaya todo research na rin kung saan
Yeah.
makakahanap.
I mean, at that point, siguro, di ba?
Madali
Yeah.
ngayon makahanap sa marketplace. Check nyo. Check natin ngayon.
I feel like hindi rin alam nung jowa nung kuya na may ganun sila nung kapatid.
Yeah, of course.
You know what I mean? So like,
Paano malalaman?
so like cheater din yung kuya at the same
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
So like parang ang lala niya, like
Dami kaso.
binabanatan niya yung kapatid niya.
Pulis na natin, sino ba yan?
Kaya gano'n. So ngayon, ang pag-usapan natin yung nanay. So I wanted to know, ano kaya ang magiging reaction ng nanay niya kung nalaman niya yung buntis yung anak niya? Nabuntis yung anak niya nung anak niya rin.
It's gonna be so sad. I feel like she's gonna think that she completely failed. And you know what?
As a mom, no?
And ang sad nun, kasi I'm sure na since single mom siya, di ba single
Yeah.
mom, wala yung dad?
Wala sinabi yung dad sa picture. So it's
Okay.
just the mom.
Is it dad?
So,
Like parang sinabi niya,
Hindi nga
wala
sinabi.
naman sinabi. Sinabi lang na parang ayaw niyang malaman ng nanay niya na buntis siya. So yun.
like, can you imagine yung guilt nung mom lalo?
Yeah.
Tapos, I'm sure ang dami yung responsibilities kung siya lahat yung gumagawa.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah, me too. Like, honestly, I don't blame the mom. Well, we can't really say na we don't blame her because I think may part siya na, what you call, responsible siya dun kasi she's a child.
Yes, at
Diba?
13.
And nangyayari yun sa household niya.
And she has complete control over that
Yeah.
na parang you're in my house.
Yeah.
Dapat.
Paano kung naman nagkatrabaho yung nanay all the time? And
Actually,
Yes,
totoo rin
exactly.
yun.
Diba?
Totoo rin.
Yeah.
Like, it's kind of sad na parang when these things happen, na parang automatic yung blame nasa magulang. When in fact, hindi naman lahat nila nakokontrol yung factors na
Yeah.
biglang pumasok siya gabi-gabi dun. Paano kung natutulog yung nanay? Anong gagawin niya?
Exactly.
Like, you know what I mean? Like,
And he's a trusted person. Like, that's his house too. Buti sana
Yeah.
kung
True.
tipong may pinapasok ka na boy or something.
Yeah.
Tapos hinayaan mo lang na wala, hindi mo monitor. But if it's your son,
yeah,
and
would you even
yung
think?
hindi mo
daughter
isipin
mo?
na gagawin nila yun.
Exactly, di ba? You don't even get to the point of thinking about na tangina gagawin nitong dalawang to is ganitong bagay.
Exactly. Kaya nga, we can't really blame yung mom.
Yeah.
Ang ka-blame dyan is,
yung kuya.
Kuya.
Kasi
Oh, yeah.
mo to kuya.
I feel like meron na talagang isip yung kuya. I feel like he's older than
of
16.
course.
You
Kasi
know what I
if
mean?
you're 13, may isip ka na, lalo pa yung kuya.
Yeah.
Diba? At 13, you're starting to explore. You're confused, you don't know. So, kung ano man yung nafe-feel ng katawan mo, pag finuel nito ni kuya, you'll bite into it.
Kaya feeling ko din na matanda na kasi parang sinabi niya sa confession niya na parang yung kuya niya yung tumayong dad figure. So parang kung dad figure yung kita mo sa kuya mo, maybe he's like mas matanda sa'yo ng more than 3 years, more than 5 years. So
that's
parang siya yung
Let's just say he's like 16 or like 7,
Yeah.
18.
mga 18. Para kasi siya na yung dumidiskarte. Kasi parang,
Yeah.
hindi actually wala palang tatay nga. Yeah, tama. Sinabi nga, tama ka Bella. Sinabi dito na wala pala silang tatay. Tapos ang tumayungang, ayun, wala kasi kaming ama. Kaya siya ang naging tatay ko. Alaga, disiplina, katatawanan. So kung siya na yung
Disiplina
dumidisiplina,
siya nga, walang disiplina sa sarili niya.
kailangan niya ng leash eh, no?
Yeah, ang masama pa dyan, pag yung sinabi yung disiplina, ibig sabihin, may authority talaga over,
Yeah, exactly.
over
Her.
her. Yan, sorry.
Yeah.
Him nasa isip. Hirap naman. May authority talaga sa kanya si kuya.
Yeah.
So, alam mo yung tiniisip niya talaga, okay lang, sundin ko si kuya.
Oh, exactly.
Para
Alam
siyang
mo,
authority
yun talaga
figure
yun.
na.
Yeah.
I
totoo.
wonder, ano naramdaman niyo nung first time nilang ginawa yun? Does she think that that's okay?
Well, sinabi niya na enjoy eh. Like siguro sa una, hindi.
But then sometimes kasi it's like the normal response of your body. That's what they say about, like, halimbawa sa mga rape.
Yeah.
They say, di ba, sino ba yung dating nakakabuisi? Tinanong niya, nasarapan ka ba?
Putang inang
That's
tanong.
not
Really?
even,
Someone asked that?
yeah, I can't remember. Basta naging big issue siya kasi tinanong nila dun sa na-rape. Nasarapan ka ba? But that's a normal response of
Ng
your
katawan,
body.
no?
Yeah.
So kahit pa sabihin na na-enjoy niya yung first time, it's
It's a no-no pa
It's a
rin.
no-no.
Yeah.
And
That's
how would she
actually
know?
yeah.
How would she know? Did she really enjoy it? Or was it just like an out-of-body experience na hindi niya? Ewan ko.
exactly.
Kasi at first time, maybe you would think it's good.
Yeah, exactly.
But ang like siguro yung nasabi niyang masarap is yung sensation. Pero
Yeah.
hindi niya alam na you're not even supposed to feel good sa partner na
Yeah.
ginagawa
But
mo.
for the
you
first
know what
time, you're not gonna enjoy it because it's painful.
I mean? I think so. I don't know. I'm not a girl, so I
Yes,
wouldn't really
Roman.
know.
Yes.
Ang daming experience.
Walang jowa, pero may
Sobrang sikat.
experience. Walang experience. Walang jowa, pero may experience. Anyway, actually, I wanted to ask, di ba? I mean, kung kayo yung nanay or kayo yung parent, how would you react to this, knowing this, na parang nabuntis yung anak na ganun? How would you react? Kayo. Kasi nanay, like, girls, I mean, di pa naman kayo nanay, but
Yung pinakamukhang nanay muna.
Go, Ben.
I mean, no, what I mean is yung pinakamatanda muna. Pinakamatanda muna.
Is it me?
Is it me?
am I,
Meron ba siyang...
30, bakit?
oh, mukha naman siyang 25, grabe.
I know.
Oh,
Tsaka
go.
sabi nila, si Bel daw mukhang nanay ko eh.
Isa lang nagsabi nun.
Dalawa sila. Sabi niya.
Okay.
Sabi nila, is that your mom?
Stop. Oh, go.
I think perpetually shocked lang ako. And it's hard. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to move on from that. Trauma yun. Like,
Malala.
trauma for the mom. From the mom, as in.
That's for sure. Yeah.
I don't even know how
And
to...
as a mom, at na-bring up nila yung abortion, would you support that? Or
Like abortion?
like, I mean, like,
Like,
let's say, sabihin nung 13-year-old na anak mo na, Mom, I can't do this. I have to abort this. I'm too young. I'm still in school. Would you support or anong sasabihin?
Yeah, I'm always, your body, your choice.
Tama.
And you're 13. How are you gonna...
Tama. Okay.
Dadagdagan mo pa ako ng isa pang anak? Okay ka lang? Hindi ko na nga kayo mabantayan? Kaya,
Kung ano lang ang ginagawa nyo.
Yeah.
isa pa, dagdagan ko pa.
Eh,
But yeah.
ikaw ba, Neng? Like, what do you, kung ikaw yung parent?
Ako, feeling ko magagalit ako dun sa anak kong lalaki. But at the same time, feeling ko may sakit na din yung lalaki. Like, I don't know, like, the fact na naisip niyang gawin yun, I feel like there's something wrong with his head.
Yeah,
Kaya
true.
parang as a mom,
Lahat pa yung mic.
magagalit ako, but at the same time, I'm gonna like help him.
Mm.
And then dun sa babae, like obviously, I'm gonna,
Don't whisper, like,
I don't know. Obviously, I'm gonna be, dun sa babae,
Yeah.
anak kong babae.
And towards dun sa abortion, anong take mo naman?
Ako kasi mahirap kasi magdala ng bata or anak dito sa mundo tas hindi mo naman mapapalaki ng maayos.
Correct, totoo
Kaya
naman.
mas okay, it's not a good choice.
Yeah.
But I think sa ibang mga times na kailangan gawin, you have to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kasi naman i-bring up mo na, like, dalhin mo dito yung bata, pero like, hindi mo naman
Mapapariwara
maaalagaan.
naman siya. Yeah.
Diba?
And what about you, Belay?
As a mom. As your mom.
As your mom.
No, I mean, for me, I think as a mom, I would feel so guilty.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi they're both my kids. And I think at that moment, I would be mad. Pero deep inside, I would think, oh, it's my fault. Though hindi ko sinasabi na it's the mom's fault. But we're thinking here as the mom.
Yes.
So I would think na yun ang maisip niya that, oh, it's her fault. Kasi, oh, paano ko ba siya pinalaki?
Ano pagkukulang ko?
Ano bang pagkukulang? Is it
Yeah.
because wala silang dad?
Or,
Because I'm
yeah.
not sure if he died or naghiwalay sila. Like, I think mafe-feel nung mom, oh, is the blame, like, nasa akin ba yung blame? Kasi, may pagkukulang ba ako? Kasi hindi ko siya nabigyan ng father figure to guide him.
Yeah.
And then, I, as a woman, didn't guide her. Diba?
Yes.
So, parang alam mo yung mag-guilty ako. Ganon. Pero sa choice then, I'm also, like, pro-choice. But,
Pro meaning, like, you're...
like, yeah, I'm okay with the abortion thing na gagawin nila. Kasi it's just not proper. It's so unfair to the unborn child as well.
both
Diba?
sides. Yeah.
Kasi unang-una, we're not sure kung ano nang mangyayari sa genetics.
Oh,
Exactly.
that!
Diba? It would be
I even
fucked up.
forgot about that. Yeah, kasi nga
Yeah.
incest nga. Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
tama kayo.
sometimes it will be okay, pero I think
Sweet Home Alabama.
May mga times na hindi siya, So, alam mo yun, like,
Yeah.
it would be too unfair
Mhm.
dun sa unborn child, my child, then mismo,
Yeah.
na bakit siya mapipilitan magdala ng someone into this
World. Yeah.
di ba?
Actually, those are really nice answers, to be honest. And I feel like tama yung yung sinabi niyo, yung your body, your choice. Tama din. And totoo yung parang, I feel like sa nakalakihan ko sa parents ko, parang pag may ginawa ka, na parang ang unang natural instinct ni mama sabihin na saan ba kami nagkulang.
Yeah.
Like, laging ganun. So, tama ka dun sa
Yeah.
sinabi mo na yun eh. So, I just feel like, kung nalaman niya to, I feel like guguho yung mundo niya. Which I don't think she knows.
Yeah.
Yeah. And pag-usapan natin yung actual na nung inabort niya yung baby. Imaginein mo, almusal, naamoy daw niya yung itlog tsaka pandesal, tas habang siya nasa banyo
Yeah.
daw.
That's so sad.
Kinakagat niya daw yung labi niya para hindi daw.
Yeah.
Like, imagine, like, parang feeling ko, yun yung in life, pag pinagdaanan mo yung ganong katinding trauma, even at that young age, mag-i-start ka mag-mature eh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
Like, you know what I mean? Like, parang it's crazy na parang the way she, like, parang sobrang vivid nga nung na niya.
Yeah.
Like, parang sabi niya, amoy pandesal, amoy itlog, pero ako sa banyo, impyerno. Yung
Yeah.
sinabi niya. So, parang sobrang kawawa. And then, like, parang sobrang yung pagka-visualize niya na imagine mo, lumabas yung baby, hawak niya. Tapos sinabi niya yung pasensya ka na. Tapos,
Ay, hindi ba niya nalabas dun sa toilet?
I don't know how, pero nasa bathroom siya. And then, nilabas niya. I think, kasi naramdaman niya na siguro yung sakit. Tapos, nung lumabas na, pinilagay niya lang sa towel. You know how
Yeah.
crazy
I
that
thought
is?
they waited too long to abort it. Kasi, if nahahawakan niya na,
Yeah,
it means it
buo na
must be
siya.
like 4 months,
Din
5
malaki na nga,
months.
no? Yeah.
Right.
Oh, maybe, that's true.
Hindi na lang siya dugo eh.
Yeah.
Oo nga, no? Hindi ko naisip yun. Oo nga, it's later sa pregnancy
Yeah.
na
Baka pinag-isipan pa nila.
kung bubuhayin.
So
Yeah.
baka natagalan talaga maghanap ng...
Or maybe nahirapan
Yeah.
talaga siyang maghanap.
Actually.
So,
Naisip ko dito, no? Like, parang, ang kawawa lang kasi paano nila pinicture yung nilagay sa tuwalyas. Parang basura lang.
Yeah.
yeah.
And, yung isa sa mga, like, parang unang naisip ko din nung narinig ko to, kasi may pinakikinggan akong homily kay Father Jerry Orbos. Ewan ko kilala niyo si Father Jerry Orbos. Yung pari basta pari siya. Like, lagi siya, yung homilies niya sa YouTube. Every time daw na pag merong abortion, di ba? Lahat daw ng mga tao, like, ang sinasabi palagi, like, majority sa Philippines, let's just say may in-abuse na pet. Ang daming sinasabi ng tao, right? But when it comes to abortion, parang yung mga tao, wala silang say towards it.
Yeah.
And yung pinakawalang say talaga is yung babing inaalis.
Yeah.
Siya yung walang voice.
Yeah.
Like, siya yung walang say sa dapat ba mabuhay ako, and yet yung mga tao sa paligid niya yung nagde-decide kung ano dapat yung gawin. And parang yun yung naisip ko, parang if you think about it, that's the unfair
Yeah.
ng
there's-
mundo.
There's always two sides talaga sa
Yeah.
abortion. Kaya it's a very sensitive topic and
That's
we
true.
just have to respect kung ano man yung, kung may, ano ba to,
Yeah.
anti-abortion, pro-abortion, like, just
Yeah.
have to respect it. Kasi hindi na talaga natin masasabi what's going on sa mga
Yeah.
buhay nila, why they made that choice.
Parang hindi siya laging, you got like one answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, alam mo, walang, ito, pag ito yung ginawa mo, ito yung tama.
Yeah, that's
Diba?
true.
Like, I mean, like, kasi kung sabi mga kanina, bestie na parang, that's why you can never have science and religion
Yes.
together.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if circumstances were different, you should probably not abort it. Let's just say kung nasa proper age ka na, proper circumstances, and nag-decide ka lang na, I don't know, maglaro ng apoy, then maybe.
Yeah.
But at this case, parang, I can't blame them for doing that. Kasi how would you even, like, paano kung mahirap din sila?
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Exactly.
Diba? Kaya yun. So, punta tayo sa takeaway natin. Anong takeaway na sa tingin nyo pwede nyong ibigay dito?
Well, ako kasi everything is done. Like, it has been done. So,
It's a conclusion or whatever na you can take away.
Hindi nyo naman binriff si Baneng.
Sabi ni Baneng, pakala ni Baneng take out eh.
Sabi niya, may pagkain.
May pakain pala. Di pa. Go, Bel.
so akin kasi, like, tapos na lahat eh. Ano nangyari na. So, ang kailangan na lang nilang gawin is, I guess, as guidance sa kung sino man pwede makapag-guide sa kanila. Maybe yung mom,
Yung kuya ulit.
it's time
Siya yung...
It's time to step up.
Yeah.
And pag ganun, and I don't know kung anong legalities nung ganun. I don't know kung anong age kasi ni kuya. But I think kailangan nila talagang dumaan sa matinding process.
yeah.
Process of healing. Kasi it's a very traumatic experience. Lalo dun sa bata.
Yes.
Kasi,
At 13, no?
I think kahit pa bata siya nang ginawa niya yun, dala niya yun habang buhay.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Napanood ko yan sa mga KMJS. Mahilig ako manood ng mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Sa mga
Totoo yun, totoo.
MMK. So, dala niya yun habang buhay. And kailangan niya talaga mag-heal from that. So,
Yes,
kailangan
yes.
niya ng guidance. So, yun ang ma-advise ko sa kanya. Kay kuya naman, ay, di ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung ano advice ko
Therapy
kay
ulit.
kuya. Ewan
Yeah.
ko. Siya na lang mag-advise kay kuya.
Ayan, next. Sinong next? Ikaw, take away mo ba?
Just like sinabi ni Belle na, like, dun sa girl, like, dadalhin mo yun. So, like, take care of yourself, your mental health, ask for, like, guidance and,
Yes.
professional help. Kasi, like, hindi mo alam kung, like, I wonder how is she, like, ngayon.
That's true.
Diba?
Yeah.
Kasi, like, that's a very traumatic. Traumatic?
Yeah.
Tramo? Hirap.
Lumabas ang accent?
Kailan na lumalabas talaga.
Lumabas ang
Very
accent.
traumatic experience talaga.
yeah.
So, yeah.
Si attorney.
Forward to you.
Si attorney na.
For me, it's already done. Just take your time to heal. Like, katulad din ng advice nitong dalawang kasama natin dito magaling.
Yeah.
But just, you can't do anything about it anymore. I'm not even sure if it's worth telling yung mom anymore. So it's kind of
Yeah.
like, it's just a well-kept secret
You have to
at
take
this
to your
point.
grave, yeah.
But then you have to let it out in a different
Which
manner,
is-
like therapy or, seek professional help. Kasi, I don't know if it's gonna carry over. Maybe you don't think that it will, pero malalaman mo yan later in life if nag-reflect na yan sa ibang aspect ng buhay mo. Tapos mamaya ma-realize mo, oh my God, I react that way kasi yung trauma ko from before. And, I guess when you have your own kids, at least mas may maturity ka and mas alam mo yung mga posibleng mangyari.
Mas aware ka na.
So,
yeah.
yeah. That's it.
Yeah. Wow, those are really nice. Siguro kung ako may take away, first and foremost, huwag kayong makipagrelasyon sa mga kapatid niyo or any incest relationships because obviously it's obvious, di ba? And yung mga naman, when it comes to abortion, like tulad nung sinabi ko ng mga maganda kong co-host dito, it depends sa circumstances. There's no one answer na yes, dapat, no, hindi dapat. I know it's sad. Like, binring up ko kanina yung baby yung walang voice. And, I don't know. Like, hindi ko rin naman alam eh. Like, you know what I mean? So, it's really, like, a sad world we live in. And, sa mga magiging parents pa lang dyan, I guess this is good na maging mindful kayo. Like, I don't know, you can't probably tell. Tulad ni Bestie Pat, sabi niya, it's your son. You wouldn't even think about that. Right? Pero siguro, it's good to know na parang kung parent ka, na tignan mo yung behavioral patterns ng mga anak mo or something, kapag may something na nagsishift or nagbabago or something odd, then maybe you can, or maybe talk to your kids. Is there something wrong or ganun? And I feel like, I know na yung ibang parents kasi sobrang dami na nilang work para mag-provide, di ba? And that happens and we can't blame them. Pero yun lang, kung magiging parent kayo, maybe, just maybe, take look at this in a different perspective. Like, kasi I think this can happen to anyone. Kasi nangyayari siya eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know? So, yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin and I feel sorry for you, sender, na nag-send nito. Sana you heal and move on. And sa kuya mo, tangin na, hindi alam ng jowa mo, nag-cheat ka, buddy. Tangin na, wag mo nang ulitin. Wag mo nang gawin yan. Tama na yan. And I feel like nasa sa inyo na nga rin kung gusto nyong sabihin to sa mom nyo or hindi. Like, I'll leave it to you guys. So, any last words, ladies?
No, I'm good.
Yeah. It's kind of sad. It's kind of
I
sad.
wonder,
Sorry.
like, ano yung relasyon ng kuya niya tsaka siya ngayon?
Yeah.
That's a good question.
yeah.
I feel like baka, like ano pa rin sila, like I mean like magkapatid, but I would really hate to know kung ginagawa pa rin nila.
Oh, God.
I think hindi na. I hope hindi na. Kasi hello, that's a big lesson. Dapat natutunan nila yun.
Di ba? Kasi
Lesson learned na.
actually, ang ganda nung sinabi ni Baneng doon. Like, kamusta yung
Yeah.
relasyon nila? And then I just realized, God damn, what if they're still like, in heat?
Tigil nyo yan, bes.
Sabi nga ni Bella, health center daw libre, oh. Siguro naman.
Actually,
Kung,
yeah.
like, I mean, di naman natin sila mapipigilan sa gusto nilang gawin. But like, sabi nga ni Pat, tangina, siguro matuto na lang kayo sa mga pinagagawa nyo. And at the end of the day, hindi naman namin kontrolado kung gusto nyong gawin yan eh. You know what I mean?
Yun eh.
Di ba? Yeah. So, yun lang. Any last words?
No.
Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in to this episode. This is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Pat.
It's your new girl, Vanessa.
Yeah!
Peace! Gagaling ah.
Kadiri naman yun.
Well, I like this.